Hello friends, so today we are going to see the Korean drama couple which turns into the real life couples after staying together, and here there are many new couple you are going to see, so stay tuned. On number 8 we have An Hyo Seop and Park Bo Gum. The An Hyo Seop and Park Bo Gum, they met on the first time for the movie Abyss, and even though there are 5 years difference between them, they started dating in the 2019. So we see this is a like Nuna type relationship, and also they are look very cute together and happy together, and wish them very best luck for their future. And also on number 7 we have the couple called Jang Dong Yoon and Kim So Yoon. The Jang Dong Yoon and Kim So Yoon first met on the set of the Tale of a Nokodu Netflix drama, and the rumor started they were dating in the real life too, and their real life too rumor started, and then the fans love their chemistry off screen also. On number 6 we have Park Min Young and Park Seo Joon. The Park Min Young and Park Seo Joon, they star together in the What's Wrong with the Secretary came drama, and after the many rumors and the news came that they both are dating, and also the now news came that they have been in a relationship for 3 years, but don't know why the couple always denied their relationship, but we love them as a couple in the drama and also off screen, and their chemistry is really eye catching, and we hope to see this real life couple to be revealed as a official dating one day. On number 5 we have Lee Dong Wook and Yoo In Na. The Lee Dong Wook and Yoo In Na met for the first time on the set of a Goblin, and then they reunited in the new comedy romance drama Touch Your Heart in 2019. And after that, the dating rumor were get viral, and also their photos of going on the dinner dates were viral by the Dispatch. And also everyone got the news that they are dating together, and now it is a news that they are soon going to marry to each other, and we are going to see this couple, real life couple, and they are real life couple for confirm. On number 4 we have Kim Woo Bin and Shin Min. The Kim Woo Bin and Shin Min is the strongest couple, one of the strongest Korean couple we have seen in the actor list, and this couple is dating for 5 years, and the relationship started in 2015. They first met to do the commercial shoot together and fell in love, and when Kim Woo Bin was diagnosed with the cancer, the Shin Min stood strong always with him, and he is now fully recovered, and soon we can get a married news from this both couple. They are really strong couple, and they are a good example and the perfect example what give us the strong love relationship, who always stand by each other in every situations and in every circumstances. So we also love this cute couple, perfect couple. On number 3 we have the recent new couple Ji Chang Woong and Kim Yoo Jung. The Ji Chang Woong and Kim Yoo Jung, they met on the set recently in the Backstreet Rookie, and viewers are enjoying the refreshing love romance in the drama, and everyone began to talk about them since their chemistry is so perfect that no one can ignore it, and everyone is hoping that this couple is to be real in real life. So this is a new couple in a town of between in the list of a Korean actor and actress who turn to be the real couple. And yes, you can go and watch their all off-screen chemistry scenes and all behind the scenes, and you will also come to know that there is something cooking between them, but now we are not sure because this is a very fresh news which was come in a town and which has come in the news. So we are now hoping and waiting for the confirmed news from both these actors. After that, on number 2 we have Yoon Bin and Son Ye Jin. The Yoon Bin and Son Ye Jin, this is a really gorgeous and everyone's favorite couple. They have been in the news for a long time. They first met on the set of the movie in a 2018 Negotiation, and in this movie they did not share many scenes with each other, but then too the relationship developed and the connection becomes between them. After that, recently their drama Crash Landing on You was a big popular, and after that they spotted together at many places off screen also, and also they were spotted in the airport while going to the Mongolia together and many other off-screen places, and they were caught with each other, and this is a confirm that something is more than friendship in between them, because we can feel that, we can see that between them when we see them in the interview or in the award shows or in the behind the scenes. So yes, there is something going on between these two beautiful couple. On number 1 we have the Lee Min Ho and Kim Go Yoon. The Lee Min Ho and Kim Go Eun and the couple become the talk of the town after the drama The King Eternal Love. And then the love news become viral, and also their off-screen chemistry, their online posting posts of each other on their social media. And also Lee Min Ho posted the photo of a Kim Go Eun on her birthday and wished her. And also the Kim Go Eun attended and gifted a gift to the Lee Min Ho on his birthday. And there are surely more than friendship and going to be revealed the relationship officially. They both are going to be revealed their relationship soon. And yes, something really cooking between them, because we can feel their chemistry, their scenes are so real and so perfect that we can feel that yes, something is happening in real also. So this was the video today. And people, if you like my videos, so do subscribe my channel. You can see my channel is a genuine channel which will provide you all type of a video and which will make you always update and entertain. Thank you.